So the first question, what do we call the lasting of sound caused by repeated reflections? Option number A, reverberation. Question number 2, a physicist is designing an experiment where the result depends on the product of force and velocity. Which of the following physical quantities is directly measured by this product, considering units and dimensions? Option number C is the correct answer, power. 3. Which of the following optical properties of light enables sunglasses to reduce glare from sunlight reflected off surfaces such as water or roads? Option number D is the correct answer, polarization. 4. Which term describes sound energy received per second per unit area? Option number A, intensity. 5. The transverse nature of light can be demonstrated using dash. Option number B, Polaroid. 6. You can often hear a person speaking from behind a tall fence even if you cannot see them. Which property of sound waves explain this phenomena? Option number B, diffraction. 7. Which of the following statements is true for water when it is cooled from 4 degrees Celsius to 0 degrees Celsius? Option number C, volume increases but density decreases. Question number 8. A doctor prescribes a lens with the power of P is equal to minus 2.5 D to a patient. This lens is a Option number D, a concave lens used to correct myopia. 9. How does increasing the amplitude of a sound wave affect the sound produced? The loudness increases, the pitch increases, the frequency decreases, the speed of the sound increases. How does increasing the amplitude of a sound wave affect the sound produced? Option number A, the loudness increases. Question number 10. In which of the following cases is the work done negative? Option number C, force and displacement are between 90 degree and 180 degree. Question number 11. Frequencies higher than the human audible limit of 20,000 Hz are classified as? Option number D, ultrasound. 12. The energy of light photon is a form of? Option number A, electromagnetic energy. 14. Electrical energy can be calculated using which of the following formulas? Electrical energy. Option number D, energy is equal to power into time. 14. If a scientist is comparing the energy output of the two light bulbs and records their values in joules, which dimensional formula should be used to represent energy in the SI system? Option number A, ml2 t minus 2. 15. Electrical conductors are materials that possesses which of the following properties? Option number A, low resistivity. 16. The quantity represented by unit volt per ampere corresponds to which electrical unit? Option number A, ohm. 17. Action and reaction forces are exerted on which bodies during an interaction? Option number C, two different bodies. 18. Which process is responsible for the rising of warm air over a heated surface? Option number C, convection. 19. Which law governs the relationship between the pressure and volume of a fixed amount of gas at constant temperature? Option number A, Boyle's law. 20. What change occurs in the amount of heat produced when the electric current in a conductor is doubled? Option number B, 4 times. 21. What was proven to exist in an atom by Rutherford's gold foil experiment? Option number C, nucleus. 22. The commercial unit of electric energy is kilowatt hour, and 1 kilowatt hour is equal to? Option number B, 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 watt second. 23. What is the value of 1 ton in SI unit? Option number B, 10 to the power 3 kg. Question number 24. In which of the following medium does sound move the fastest at a particular temperature? Option number B, iron. 25. What minimum distance should the reflecting surface be for an echo to be heard? Option number B, 17.2 meter. 26. In physical science, understanding the dimension of a quantity helps to analyze formulas and relationship between variables. Which set of dimensions correctly represents the physical quantity, force, in terms of mass, length, and time? Option number C, mass into length into time minus 2. 27. What happens to the speed of sound as the temperature of the air increases? Option number D, it increases because the air molecules move faster. 28. If a ball is thrown vertically upward, which of the following describes its velocity at the highest point? Option number D, 0. 29. What is the approximate speed of sound in air at room temperature approximately 20 degrees Celsius? Option number A, 343 meter per second. 30. In a sound wave traveling through air, which of the following terms refers to a region where the particles are crowded together, resulting in high pressure and high density? Option number A, compression. 31. A physics lab experiment requires the measurement of temperature using the correct SI unit. Which unit should the student use to record temperature reading according to the SI system? Option number C, Kelvin. 32. Which optical instrument is used to correct the eye defect known as hypermetropia or long-sightedness, where light focuses behind the retina? Option number D, convex lens. 33. The conversion of chemical energy into electrical energy and then into light and thermal energy occurs in which of the following cases? Option number D, when a flashlight is turned on. 34. Modern telecommunication systems use optical fibers to transmit data efficiently. Which optical phenomena enables this high-speed data transmission? Option number B, total internal reflection. 35. Heat generated in an electrical resistor is measured in which SI system? Heat generated in an electrical resistor is measured in which SI system? SI unit. Option number C, joule. 36. Which of these is not an example of fundamental quantity? Option number B, velocity. 37. When considering the dimensions of electric charge, which fundamental units must be combined to express it in terms of SI base quantities? SI base quantities. Which, considering the dimensions of electric charge, which fundamental units must be combined to express it in terms of SI base quantities? Option number D, current and time. 38. When a metal spoon is placed in a hot cup of tea, its spoons become warm. Which mode of heat transfer is primarily responsible for this? Option number B, conduction. 39. If you measure the amount of electric charge flowing in a circuit, which SI unit would you see to record the result? Option number A, coulomb. 40. Which combination of SI base units correctly represents the unit of density based on its dimensional formula? Option number B, kilogram per meter cubed. 41. According to the Joule's law of heating, heat produced in a resistor is expressed by which relation? Option number A, H is equal to I to RT. 42. Which heat transfer method enables the sun to warm earth despite the vast empty space between them? Option number A, radiation. 43. Which of the following properties is responsible for the bending of light when it moves from air into water? Option number D, change in speed of light. 44. A quantity is measured in meters per second square. What is this quantity? Option number C, acceleration. 45. Which type of surface absorbs more heat and is therefore preferred during winters? Option number B, dark colored surface. 46. The SI derived units of force is the Newton. Which combination of SI base units is equivalent to the Newton? Option number B, kg meter per second square. 47. Mirage is an optical illusion which can be explained based on which of the following phenomena of light? Option number C, total internal reflection. 48. In a classroom discussion about the measurement of work and energy, students are asked to identify the correct SI unit and dimensional formula for these quantities. Which option is best represents unit of both work or energy? Option number B, joule and ml to t minus 2. 49. If an object having a mass of 10 kg is moving with a velocity of 50 meter per second, find the current momentum of the object. Option number D, 500 kg meter per second. 50. Solar energy is globally measured in the unit of kilowatt hour. The physical quantity corresponding to the unit kilowatt hour is option number B, electric energy. Question number 51. The discovery of the atomic nucleus by bombarding a thin gold foil with the alpha particles is associated with which of the following scientists? Option number A, Ernest Rutherford. 52. What will be the resultant force if a body of mass 10 kg is moving with an acceleration of 5 meter per second square? Option number D, 50 Newton. 53. Pressure is measured in which SI unit? Option number C, Newton per meter square. 54. When a book is pushed across the table surface, which type of friction mainly opposes its motion? Option number D, sliding friction. 55. Which of the following SI prefixes has a multiplicative factor of 10 raised to the power minus 9? Option number B, nano. It's your homework, guys. Which quantities influence the kinetic energy of a moving body? You have to answer up this question in the comment section. Alright. So that's all for today, and thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Also, you can get PDF from my Telegram channel. Link is in the description. Alright, keep watching, keep learning. See you in the next video. Thank you.